Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transform your ordinary PC or laptop into a gaming powerhouse, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through everything you need to upgrade your setup and dive into some of the most popular online games you can play right now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome content. Let's start with the upgrades. Whether you have a desktop or a laptop, there are several ways to enhance your gaming experience. First up, RAM. Most games require at least 8 GB to run smoothly, but 16 GB is ideal. If your laptop or PC allows it, upgrading your RAM is a great first step. Next, the graphics card. This is crucial for gaming performance. For desktops, consider cards like the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 or RTX 3060 for great mid-range performance. For laptops, look for models with dedicated graphics, like the GTX 1650 or RTX 3050. Storage is another key aspect. If you're still using a hard drive, switching to an SSD can significantly improve load times. Look for at least 500 GB SSDs for gaming. Don't forget about cooling. Gaming can generate heat, so adding extra fans or a better CPU cooler can help keep your system running efficiently. Lastly, make sure to tweak your in-game settings. Lowering the resolution or graphical details can significantly improve performance on lower-end systems. Now that your system is ready, let's talk about some of the hottest online games you can dive into. First, we have MOBAs like League of Legends and Dota 2. These games require strategy, teamwork, and have massive communities. Next up is the Battle Royale genre. Fortnite and Apex Legends are among the most popular. They're free to play and provide endless hours of competitive fun. If you're into FPS games, check out Call of Duty Warzone and Valorant. Both offer fast-paced action and engaging gameplay. For those who love immersive worlds, MMORPGs like World of Warcraft and Final Fantasy XIV are perfect. They offer rich storytelling and community interactions. And let's not forget indie games like Among Us and Fall Guys. These games are not only fun, but often have unique mechanics that set them apart. Finally, consider subscription services like Xbox Game Pass or EA Play. They offer a library of games for a monthly fee, giving you access to a variety of titles without breaking the bank. That wraps up our guide on turning your normal PC or laptop into a gaming device and exploring some of the top online games out there. What games are you excited to play? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, happy gaming!